All right. Hello and welcome back. Let me turn the sound up a little bit. There we go. That should be better, right? Yeah. So the only headline news I can see right now, just bullshit, nothing of importance, is Powell signaling another rate cut despite the interest rate potential hikes. I mean, we've already seen hikes, but potential even higher hikes. I'll try to get a chart for it. There is one inside of Bloomberg, a very nice one, but I'm not gonna pay for Bloomberg because fuck that. That is pretty crazy to me though. So, but I mean, I don't know what their plan is. So that could be bullish for SPY. Let's start off with looking at SPY. As always, it's looking alright. Completely fine with this one. Strong again, rebounded from the collapse, as they were calling it. It was just a little rebound, a correction. Dollar index showing more dollar strength, but very moderately, so nothing too important there. And let's go look for some setups, yeah? We did a full redraw. And keep in mind that I will not be entering any of these setups as I have already hit my 10% limit for the month. Oh, fuck, I forgot the usual disclaimer that I always start with. Let me drink. So, nothing is for sale, nothing is monetized. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates, or anything else. There aren't even ads in the YouTube videos. The only link you'll find will be to my Discord. That'll be linked in the description on YouTube. In my Discord, there's just trading talk and not much else. Links to my videos. That's it. Nothing for sale there either. I don't make money off of these videos. I make money off of trading. I don't need your money. I don't want your money. I don't care. So let's get it started with. Fuck, I should get a way to shorten down that annoying ass disclaimer. I don't have it written down. I just say the same shit every time. So let's go to the setups. Potential. Yeah. Potential breakout. By the way, you don't have to hop through pairs as quick as I do. I've just been doing this for so long. Potential breakout. Nothing to work with. Interesting. As I've mentioned earlier, a lot of traders will struggle with gold. A lot of them will just drop it. They have very low win rates with it. But as for me, I think the last 4 months we've had 100% win rate on gold, if I'm not wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong on that. But for me, it is always just click. But I've always loved trading gold, buying it, not physical gold. Don't buy physical gold. That's just bullshit. Don't buy GLD ticker either. I mean, you can if you want, but I would recommend against it. If you really want to buy gold, buy a miner like RGLD or something like that. Alright, so we found two nice potentials. It's looking very nice. They're both with the trend as well. So this would be the kind of setup that I'm looking for. I want to see a little bit of it breaking out. Hold up. Let's see it break out a little bit more though. The SR is fine. And the candle is closing very soon. That could be a very interesting trade. Keep the sell loss tight on these kinds of trades, and move sell loss as well, because if it turns around, it's no longer a breakout, right? If it starts going up and then it starts going down, that's not a breakout. That's just new ranging. Okay, so that's a completely different concept. This, it doesn't have to be like this, exactly like that. This is probably where I would enter. Let me just look at the setup another time. Yeah, this looks like a fine setup. A nice setup to me. It depends a lot on how that new candle opens though. Let's have a look on the 12-hour. Okay. So that might look like indecision, making it not as attractive, but it's definitely worth to be observed. Same with this one. Definitely interesting. Let's look at the 12-hour here. It is already congested, failed at new SR areas, or not failed, but failed within the zones set. In that sense, I'll show you what I mean. So it is re-ranged lower. So this one is looking very attractive in that sense. However, I'd be looking for something more down here in this area. Again, tight sell loss. Don't go for huge trades like that. Go for something like this. Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah, that looks really that looks really good. Something like that. I'll post all these in my Discord, and that'll be all. Yeah. So if you got any questions, please feel free to just ask them to me. Either here, I'm getting so many DMs that I made this, and I'll prioritize questions asked here over in DMs. They'll get better answers written, or if you want me to answer it in a video, I will, because people keep going to DMs and it kills the Discord. It kind of makes it kind of boring. Or if you ask in the YouTube comments, I'll answer you. With that said, thank you for watching, and that's all I've got for now. It's looking exciting. Thank you guys. Bye bye.